Birds are fascinating for their size, abilities, appearance, and lifestyle, but it is important to remember that some of them can be dangerous in certain circumstances or to other species. Hello people, welcome to Curiosities, Mysteries and More. Today we will see 10 birds that are known to be dangerous, amazing or exotic in the animal world, but before starting, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell and leave a good like, it will help me a lot to move forward. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10, Secretary bird, also known as secretary or common secretary, is a species of bird of prey that lives in the open and semi-arid regions of sub-Saharan Africa. It is a large and slender bird that measures between 1.3 and 1.5 meters in height, with a wingspan that can exceed 2 meters. Its plumage is mostly gray above and white below. It has a small, flattened head, with a red facial patch and dark blue bare skin around the eyes. It has long, strong light gray legs and a hooked beak, used to capture prey. It lives mainly in savanna, grassland, and cropland areas in sub-Saharan Africa, avoiding densely forested areas. It is a diurnal and terrestrial hunter that feeds mainly on insects, such as grasshoppers and beetles, as well as small mammals, snakes and birds. It uses its powerful, sharp beak to capture and kill its prey, and its long legs to run and catch it. The secretary bird is an agile and efficient predator in its habitat, adapted to survive in the vast African plains and savannas. Its presence is indicative of the health and balance of the ecosystem in which it lives. Number 9, Wandering albatross, is one of the largest and most majestic seabirds in the world, known for its impressive flight abilities and nomadic ocean lifestyle. It is one of the largest albatrosses, with a wingspan that can reach up to 3.5 meters, making it one of the largest wingspans of any existing bird. It has predominantly white plumage, with black wing tips and back. Juveniles have darker, mottled plumage. Wandering albatrosses are pelagic seabirds that spend most of their lives flying over the oceans of the southern hemisphere. Its distribution extends throughout the Atlantic, Indian Ocean and South Pacific. They spend much of their lives flying over the ocean and are known for their long-distance flying abilities. They can cover enormous distances and travel thousands of kilometers without rest. They feed mainly on squid and fish that they capture on the surface of the water or by diving. The wandering albatross is one of the ocean's most magnificent and elegant creatures, and its nomadic lifestyle and long-distance flight capabilities make it an astonishing example of marine life. Their conservation is vital to maintaining the health of the oceans and preserving the beauty of these majestic birds. Number 8, Double-horned hornbill, also known as the Sumatran rhinoceros, is a species of exotic bird of large size and remarkable appearance that lives in Southeast Asia, particularly on the island of Sumatra, Indonesia. The great hornbill is one of the largest hornbills, with a length ranging between 90 and 122 centimeters. Its most distinctive feature is its large bicornuate beak, which has a bony protuberance at the base that resembles a horn. Males and females have bicornuate bills, although the male's is slightly larger. Its plumage is predominantly black with a white belly and legs. In addition, it has bright blue and red areas around the eyes and on the throat. The horned hornbill inhabits low-altitude humid subtropical and tropical forests, as well as hilly and mountainous areas. It is mainly found on the island of Sumatra in Indonesia, although it can also be found in some areas of peninsular Malaysia and Thailand. It is omnivorous, feeding on a wide variety of foods, including fruits, insects, spiders and small vertebrates. The horned hornbill is an impressive and distinctive bird, with its distinctive bihorned bill and its vital role in the Southeast Asian ecosystem. Its conservation is essential to ensure the survival of this beautiful species and preserve biodiversity in the region. Number 7, the Andean condor, is one of the largest and most emblematic birds of prey in South America, known for its impressive wingspan and its crucial role in the Andean ecosystem. It is one of the largest flying birds in the world. Males can measure between 2.8 and 3.3 meters in wingspan, while females are slightly smaller. The weight ranges between 11 and 15 kilograms. It has black feathers over much of its body, with a fleshy crest on its head and a collar of white feathers around its neck. The wing feathers are long and wide, allowing for efficient flight. The Andean condor lives in mountainous and rugged regions, mainly in the Andes mountain ranges in South America. It can be found at altitudes ranging from sea level to 5,000 meters. They are scavenger birds, which means they feed mainly on carrion. They locate their prey by sight, as they have exceptionally keen vision. They spend much of their time in the air, using updrafts to glide and search for food. They feed mainly on dead animals, helping to control the carrion population and preventing the spread of diseases. It is a majestic species and essential for the ecological balance in its habitat. Its preservation is essential to maintain the health of mountain ecosystems in South America. Number 6. Peacock. The peacock is one of the most recognized and admired birds for its spectacular plumage and distinctive behavior. Peacocks are large birds. Males, known as peacocks, are larger than females and can measure up to 2.3 meters in total length, including the tail. Males have distinctive, colorful plumage with a wide range of bright colors, such as blue, green, gold and white. The peacock's tail, called the vuil, is especially notable, with vibrantly colored feathers that form a fan. Females, called guans, have duller and less showy plumage compared to males. Their plumage is brown and green tones to help them camouflage themselves in their environment during incubation. Peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka for the common peafowl, and to Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam for the green peafowl. They are omnivores and feed on a variety of foods, including grains, seeds, insects, fruits, and small reptiles and invertebrates. Peacocks have historically been valued in many cultures, symbolizing beauty, elegance, wealth and wisdom. They have been associated with the Greek goddess Hera, the Roman goddess Juno, and are also important in Hindu mythology. Number 5. Toucan. Toucans are tropical birds characterized by their colorful beaks and plumage, and are native to Central and South America. They vary in size, but generally measure between 18 to 63 centimeters in length, depending on the species. They have huge and colorful beaks that are their most distinctive feature. Although they appear heavy, they are largely composed of spongy keratin structures and are relatively lightweight. They have bright and colorful plumages, with combinations of red, orange, yellow, blue, green and black. Toucans are found in tropical rainforests and humid forests, but they also inhabit areas of savanna, wooded savanna and bushland. They are distributed mainly in Central America and South America, from southern Mexico to northern Argentina. They are diurnal and arboreal birds that feed mainly on fruits, but also consume insects, lizards, eggs and occasionally small vertebrates. They use their beak to grab and manipulate food. Despite their size, they are usually agile and can move between tree branches with ease. Some toucan species are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching and the illegal bird trade. Toucans are considered emblematic birds of rainforests, known for their unique appearance and their importance in the ecology of their habitats. Number 4. Verreaux's eagle. The Verreaux's eagle, also known as the African black eagle, is a majestic bird of prey that lives in certain regions of Africa. It is one of the largest eagles in Africa, with a wingspan that can reach between 1.8 to 2.3 meters and a weight that varies from 3.5 to 6.7 kilograms. Adults have primarily black plumage, with white underparts and white spots on the wings. Young birds have darker, brown plumage. Verreaux's eagle is found in various habitats, including savannas, mountainous areas, deserts and semi-arid regions in sub-Saharan Africa. Prefers open areas with scattered trees for nesting. Its distribution area extends from southern Sahara to southern South Africa. It is also found in certain parts of Arabia. It is a diurnal hunter and high-level predator, hunting prey such as mammals, birds, reptiles and sometimes carrion. It uses its keen vision to locate and stalk prey from a height, then dive to catch it. They can spend long periods of time perched in tall trees from where they can observe their surroundings in search of prey. The Verreaux's eagle is a symbol of majesty and power in its natural habitat, and its presence is indicative of the health and balance of the ecosystem in which it inhabits. Number 3, Bird of Paradise, are a family of exotic birds found mainly in the rainforests of New Guinea and some surrounding islands. There are around 42 known species of birds of paradise, each with a unique and distinctive appearance. Some of the best-known species include Wilson's Bird of Paradise, Royal Bird of Paradise, Queen Victoria's Bird of Paradise and King of Saxony's Bird of Paradise. Birds of paradise are known for their extraordinary plumages and bright colors. Many of them have multicolored plumage, often with long tails and ornate feathers used in their courtship rituals. Males usually exhibit the most striking characteristics, while females usually have a more discreet appearance to camouflage themselves and protect their young. They mainly inhabit the tropical forests of New Guinea and surrounding islands, although they can also be found in other parts of Indonesia, Pacific Islands, and Australia. Many species of birds of paradise face threats such as habitat loss due to deforestation and poaching for the fur and feather trade. Birds of paradise are a striking example of the diversity and beauty of wildlife in tropical regions, and their distinctive appearance and behavior make them a subject of fascination for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Number 2, Peregrine falcon, is a highly specialized species of bird of prey known for being the fastest animal in the world in flight. The peregrine falcon is medium in size, with a wingspan ranging between 80 and 120 centimeters and a weight ranging from 700 to 1600 grams. Its plumage can vary, but generally has a bluish-gray back, white chest and belly with dark spots, and a characteristic dark mustache on the face. The peregrine falcon is found on all continents except Antarctica. It can inhabit various habitats, including mountains, cliffs, urban areas, deserts, and even coastal areas. It hunts at high speed in a dive, reaching speeds that can exceed 320 km per hour when pursuing its prey, mainly birds. Their diet consists mainly of other birds, such as pigeons, ducks, songbirds, and waterfowl. It uses its speed and agility to surprise and catch its prey in flight. During hunting flight, the peregrine falcon adopts a technique called swooping flight, where it swoops towards prey from a high altitude. Falconids are usually monogamous and form long-term pairs. They build their nests on cliffs and other tall structures, using materials such as sticks and stones. The peregrine falcon is a species incredibly adapted to hunting birds in flight, being an impressive example of the diversity and specialization in the animal kingdom. Number 1, Harpy eagle, is one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey that inhabit the rainforests of Central and South America. It is one of the largest eagles in the world, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2.5 meters and a weight that ranges between 6 to 9 kilograms. It has mostly grayish plumage on the upper part and white on the lower part. Its head is black with a distinctive crown crest of feathers on the back. The harpy eagle lives mainly in the humid tropical forests of Central and South America, including countries such as Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Peru, and Brazil. It is a highly specialized predator that feeds mainly on mammals, such as monkeys, sloths, and coatis. It can also hunt large birds and reptiles. It uses its keen vision and powerful flight to hunt in the treetops. It is capable of tearing the flesh of its prey with its strong claws and sharp beak. Despite its size, it is agile and can easily maneuver through the dense jungle vegetation. The harpy eagle is an impressive and majestic bird of prey that plays a vital role in the ecological balance of the tropical forests where it lives. Its imposing size and its role as a top predator make it one of the most amazing and fascinating birds in the world. And these were 10 amazing or exotic birds in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Until next time.